Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Good
afternoon.
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 Okay, come back with us, Group One from National English Club of SMKN 2 Tarakan. I am Renaldi Erlangga, and the one who is using headset is Rizky Amanullah, and the one who is using hoodie is Dimas Wiranata, and the one who is wearing the black what is it shirt is Angga Trinaldi Ariandika as our assist leader. So our topic today is teenage moment. Yeah, whether
Our
the
memories.
whether the bad things or the good things you are going to talk about it. Okay,
Yeah.
let's share our story. Started
Okay.
from me. Okay, I am going to tell you when I was in junior high school. I studied at first state junior high school in Tarakan. Yeah, and to be honest, when I was in junior high school, I have some bad memories. Yeah, such as yeah, kind of bullying my friends. Yeah, kind of like that, and saying some toxic words. Yeah, you know lah. Teenage bad moments is like that. Yeah, and like um I fight with my junior when I was in junior high school. Yeah,
Yeah.
and besides having some bad memories, yeah, I have the some good memories too, such as when I was in seventh or maybe eighth. Yeah, I was joining taekwondo competition, and when I was in ninth grade, I was joining the robotic Olympiad, yeah, in Surabaya, the International Robotics Olympiad, and
Wow. Impressive.
I used to join the what is it, OSIS when I was in junior high
Yeah.
school, and I was being the leader in English vocational. Yeah, so in my vocational we are talking about programs that using English, like having some conversations with friends in a day using English, and then make competitions using English, and etc. And I think that's some my teenage moments. Yeah, I know this is such a boring story. I hope you understand lah what I am saying.
Yeah,
And
I'm understand. I'm
I
understand.
understand. It's an
and
ordinary stories.
are you going to ask something from me?
Uh,
I don't
which
I don't have
grade
any.
you fight your friend in the junior high school?
Oh my god. When I was in eighth grade, yeah. When I was in eighth
Did
grade,
did you win?
kind of.
I
Kinda.
like to talk about fighting, man. That's very fun.
Yeah, that's all because he tapped my phone and it turns into the black screen in a sudden. So I was very mad at him and I punched him in the face.
Nice. I like it.
Oh my god,
Good
I think
choice.
I think this
Good
is not
choice.
what is it? This is not worthy of hearing stories, yeah. It's not worth to be heard.
But that is experience and that is a
Yeah,
fact. That is history. We
yeah,
cannot uh we cannot just run from history, right?
yeah, 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 you are
Yeah.
right.
That's happened to us before we got here, and that is a fact. You cannot lie.
Renaldi,
Yeah, Kangga. What?
after you punch your friends at the face, then what happened?
Um, my security in junior high school came after me, and he
Punch you back.
separated us. But um, there was a miscommunication. Yeah, my mom itu apa like took me back. My mother came to took me back from school to home, and the security is what is it? Calling my mom in a loud voice. Yeah, screaming lah. He screamed. He screamed to my mother, and I was very mad at him too. But why should he scream to my mother like that? And I
Yeah.
yeah. So I at the time I wear my helmet. Yeah. So I put it off and I hold it
You throw.
like this. I hold it like this. And he thought I want to punch him with my helmet.
So what happened?
So the
So
next
what
day,
happened?
I was coming to the uh, ruang BK, yeah,
Yes.
Counseling,
Yeah.
counselor.
yeah,
Counseling
the counseling
units.
room, yeah, and the counseling teachers are very mad at me because they they thought I wanted to punch the security with my helmet,
Wow, it's
but
very nice. I
but
love that.
Oh, okay. That's not a
um
good thing.
Okay, yes.
I wouldn't do
Go
such a
on, go
thing,
on.
yeah, I wouldn't do such a thing, and when what is it after uh, came to the what is it the counseling room, yeah, my parents uh, were called to come to school for the next day. Yeah, it's like 2 days after the fighting moments. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when my parents came, there was my mother too, and my mother told about the what is it kind of the story about what happened at the time. And this what is it my friends that I punched, he agrees that he stepped my phone until the screen going black in a sudden. He agreed, yeah. So
Yeah.
the problem is the security is not um, isn't dealing with me because he thought I want to punch him in the face, and like I was yelling at him, but yeah, why I yell at him? He stepped my what is it my back when I want to go home. He stepped my back. I don't know what does it mean. Maybe it means that you couldn't go home before the problem done. Yeah, kind of like that. So when after my parents come to the counseling room, the security is like he ashamed of himself. He felt he is ashamed of himself because he's like telling hoax, kind of like that. And the fun fact
Who
is,
telling hoax?
yeah, the one who is telling hoax is the security. He
Yes.
told
Yes.
the
Oh, yeah.
counseling teachers that I want to punch him with my
Oh,
helmet.
Yeah.
And
Miscommunication.
yeah, the fun fact is when I got that problem, the principal come to the counseling room.
Oh, so what happened?
very not
Um,
good.
so the security told the principal first, and then told the counseling teachers so that
Yes.
the principal come. And when my principal heard the stories, he felt like, she felt like, oh, it's he is the one who is
Disappointed.
wrong, yeah, like that. And my principal is not like blame me so much and not blame my friends so much. She is just feel sorry about the miscommunication.
Yeah.
So after that, what is it like that meeting in the counseling room, me
Yes.
and the security, like we never met each other again until now. I never see him again.
Okay.
I think that's all about my bad story as a student in junior high school. I wanted to talk about my moment in senior high school, but I don't have a good thing to tell you because my most of my senior high school moments are inside my own house. Yeah, like sleeping all day, like playing games all day. It's
Yes.
not
Yes. Yes.
a good memory for me. And I think that's all. Thank you for hearing my story.
Yeah.
And next, anyone who is going to tell the stories about himself.
Maybe Kangga.
Yes, of course I can.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna be the last. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
First, I want to tell you all about my teenage story. It's first by senior high school because in junior high school I always change schools. It's like I'm with my mother. When my mother go to another country, I meet him. I meet him. I with her, and I was just changing school. And I have no much friend at junior, but in my senior high school, in my school right now, the first thing that I see is this school was very very big, and I don't know. The first is vocational. What is about vocational and everything about it, and about my majors. I'm from heavy equipment, and there's a lot of big things. That the first thing I see is about excavator. The tires
Yeah.
of excavator is I can reach the top of the wheels because that unit is very very big. I can't reach that. And when I climb to the operation cabin, I just saw like, oh my god, this is a building or a unit. This was so very very big. And then the surprising
Yeah.
moment
It's,
is when refueling. Refueling. It took like
yeah.
100 liters of solar. My God, that's a
Oh.
very lot of fuel. Oh my God, this the fuel is wait for 10 minutes to refuel it, and for the pipe, that the pipe is also big, but still take a minute to fill the fuel. That's a lot of fuel. And then in my senior high school also, I learned how to manage my financial, and how to be old man. Learn how
Okay.
to be learn how to be old. Learn how to get the money. How hard my parents work for me, and that's such of um, memorable things in my teenage. It comes from that school, and thanks my school. I love you.
Yeah.
That's my
You're very
story.
good student.
It's a good
Who love
story.
your school.
Yes, I love my school because because of my school, I know the hard. I know about this hard world. Yes,
Ronaldi,
maybe.
Yeah.
do you love your school? Do you
You
love
love
your
it?
school?
Oh my God, why you ask
I
me, man?
don't think so. But yes, I love my school. I
Well,
love very much my school.
it's kinda 85% from
Uh,
100.
the
Yeah.
50, the 55 is
85,
unlike
85.
or
Yeah,
like
85.
Oh,
yes.
So
It,
it's
it,
It is fun.
the
15.
ni- the 15% it's like but not too much, right?
Yeah, kind of like that.
Yeah.
I don't know. The system here is so. Oh my God, it
But the
confuses
point
me so
is
much.
we like our
Yeah,
school.
yeah.
If we don't like, we can I don't know, but we like that.
I especially for my vocational. When you talk about my vocational, I like
Yeah,
it
yeah,
so much.
vocational. I don't I don't talking about your junior high school. Your junior high school is it's good.
Yeah. Talking
Yeah.
if we talked about the vocational department, I like it so much. And when we talk about the entire school, oh my God,
Oh
it's
my
about
god.
85%.
Yes, yes.
Do you want continue your story, Mr. Angga,
Um,
or that's it?
that was my story about when I'm on job training, and now I want to tell you all story about my school life, just normal school like theory and something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
For the theory, I'm not learn too much from the story because I always go to OSIS activity. That's so much to spend for me. I just can
Yeah,
leave
yeah.
the class because I have the permit, and that's why I love the school.
Wow,
I've never get met from the teachers,
wow, that's
and
very good.
I'm just like at the morning at the Monday I'm just go to theory room just like for 1 hour, and the next after and until go home I just in outside to do OSIS. But the surprising is I still have ranking what
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
ranking
The rank,
ranking
yeah.
at my class. I'm
Okay.
second place. Oh my god, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
but the finally in the report book, we just have a good grade, even
Yeah.
Yes.
we dumb in math in several lessons, but the finally we got some a good grade, especially for the general lessons like math, bahasa Indonesia, bahasa Inggris,
Oh.
like that. But if we talking about the vocational lesson, we just have bad grade. If
Oh,
we
I think you all have to change your major. Maybe you can do trial
Yeah,
majors on my department
So you
for one
want
year.
us to not what is it? Upgrading our class,
Yes.
what you want to upgrading?
our class. So he wanted us just to on the 11th grade, not become on the 12th grade, so that we can trial his vocational department.
Oh yeah, yeah. But
Uh,
but I think we cannot doing the trial job, because what we can do, man. I think we can just make a coffee, tea, or just clean the floor. I don't know, but
we can
uh,
we can separate the wheels of excavator from the excavator, and then after that we will be confused how to put it back on the excavator. That's
Yeah.
yes,
how when cross vocational having like praktek kerja, I don't know.
Yes.
Eh,
Do you want to have a
Maybe
trial?
maybe you all want to ask something about my history.
Your history. Where
uh,
you born?
I was born on Tarakan at Tarakan in 22 August and 23.
oh.
And
Do you like
you all
when
still say Kak Angga. Oh my god. I'm very proud of you.
But yet that is good. That's right call because me and the other participant just like 2003 and even the Rico and Risky. I mean
Yes.
2005.
Yes, yes.
And
Kak
your
Angga?
face, it's I'm sorry, but your face like like very heavy equipment.
Oh,
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
that's
Body
very
I was
hard.
burned by
swimming.
the sun.
If I into the heavy equipment, maybe I will like 25 years old.
Oh
Yeah.
no.
But I don't
Why,
know what, man.
why you do a body swimming, Mas?
No, I just impressed. I don't, but I impressed to
Oh my
what
god.
they look like.
You
That's
do
good.
the body swimming. That's haram, my brother.
I think like what they do to look like very adult. That's very good. I want to be like that. I want to look adult.
You just have to work at the place where there's no roof. The roof is what? Langit what?
I
Uh,
Outdoor. You must
Sky,
work
sky.
outdoor.
Yeah,
The roof is the sky, and you always get burned by the sun. That's the way how to get adult in sun.
oh, very nice. I will try.
Dimas, don't do body swimming again.
I don't do body
Okay, my
shaming,
brother.
my friend.
My brother, listen. Listen, my brother.
Yeah.
Follow me.
What is
Yeah,
it?
come on, let's go to the another participant.
Risky, you can
Oh my
try.
Maybe
god.
Risky can try your story.
First I want to ask Kak Angga,
Yes.
do you like when you're going places to places with your mother?
I love it because I like to talk with new people,
Oh yeah,
meet
that's a good
meet the
thing.
people with the different culture and something like that.
Okay, you're an extrovert. I'm an
Yes.
introvert.
Of course,
That's
I
not good thing for
extrovert.
me.
I have a lot of friends, man.
Should I start my stories?
Yes,
Yes.
of
At
course.
times.
You.
I will start when I was in elementary school.
Yes.
Mm, Me and my friends are usually going to game station or rental PS,
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
with a bicycle.
Yeah.
And there's a time when I told my friend to go slower with his bicycle, and then he's going more faster, and then he fell off. Oh my god, I'm laughing so hard and that time because he broke his front teeth. Oh my god,
What?
he
What?
broke it.
What is? You can repeat your what you say. You can repeat that. What?
He break he break his front teeth. What is
Teeth?
it? Tooth,
What is
tooth,
teeth?
tooth, tooth.
Mas,
Oh,
Dude.
dude. Yeah.
Dude.
This is
my
Yeah.
god.
teeth. Teeth. Teeth.
Yeah, dude.
Teeth,
Yeah.
yeah, teeth. I said teeth, teeth.
With
Yeah.
teeth. Yeah, not teeth, man.
Oh
Oh
my
my
god.
god.
Oh,
Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
oh my
Yeah,
god,
yeah.
Dimas.
Okay, okay.
You are
Let's
so
Okay,
continue.
calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down.
No, calm down.
Let's continue what your story.
Oh my
And
god.
then he cried so hard but I was upset for him, but I'm laughing in the same time. Oh my god, I'm so bad. I'm a bad friend.
It's okay. That is best friend do.
Yes.
Oh,
Laughing when
Eh,
the best friend just cry.
That's the true friends, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
oh my god, it when he fell off, he fell off in the front of gas station in Gunung Lingkas. Oh, so many
Oh.
people look watching him. Oh my god, that's not good, man.
If I had been him, yeah, I would kill myself at the time. It was so.
Oh,
It was
oh yeah,
so
I
very
don't know.
sad.
And
My God.
That will
if
be
I were
traumatic.
him, maybe I ran off with my bicycle so far, so fast. That's not it's good memories for me, but I think it's bad memories for him.
Yes, of course.
No, no, that is the good story, history for him.
So that he can build
I trust
himself
that.
more.
Yes.
He can be a strong man.
There's many stories when I was elementary school, but I just tell you about this story because it's good enough for me to tell. So I will tell about my junior high school stories. There is nothing special because I doing it very well, nothing a problem, but many many students hate my me and my friends. Oh yeah, I found a friends, many friends, a good one. Until now, will be as friend. That's good thing for me. And many students in my school hate us because I don't know. They're just jealous of us. I think I don't know. So many people hate us.
Maybe they think you. Oh,
What?
no, no, no.
No. Oh, that's gross. So gross.
My God,
No,
another
bro.
body swimming. Yeah, why you so rude, man?
Yes.
Astagfirullah.
Enggak. Oh no.
Okay, my brother, listen. Listen, my brother.
What?
Do not body swimming. Because body swimming is haram. According to the Quran,
Body shaming.
Hey, don't use that accent, man.
Oh.
you know, uh, do not
Yes.
speak evil of other people. Kangga. This is haram.
I'm sorry, my
Wait,
brother.
I'll send you the what is it? The Quran, yeah.
Yeah. What do you
We
want to
want
tell
to
about?
we want to video meeting or join to Islamic conversation right here.
Hey, this is a lesson. Lesson
Okay,
from the
okay,
Quran.
okay. I want to hear the
Read
dalil from
the
you.
Quran.
You want to start a lecture?
Read the Quran.
Yeah,
Surah Al-Hujurat,
Yeah.
yeah,
ayah number 11.
yeah,
Yeah, this. Yeah, I've searched. Yeah,
What does it say?
yeah.
do
Just
not
read it.
speak
Read it.
evil
Read.
of other people. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la yan. What is it? Oh my
Oh, I
God.
have
La
sorry.
Very
yaskhar
good
qaum
podcast here.
min qaumin asa ayyakunu khairan. Oh my God. Ayyakunu khairan minhum wala nisa min nisa'i asa ayyakunna khairan minhunna. I will tell you the translate in Indonesian, my brother. Listen.
Yeah.
Hai orang-orang yang
Yeah,
beriman. Jangan sekumpulan orang laki-laki merendahkan kumpulan yang lain. Boleh jadi yang ditertawakan itu lebih baik dari mereka. Dan jangan pula sekumpulan perempuan-perempuan merendahkan kumpulan lainnya. Boleh jadi yang direndahkan itu lebih baik. Okay, my brother? Are you
Okay,
hearing
my
that?
brother.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
I
Are you
was
hearing
my
telling
brother?
that feeling. Yes, of
Okay, my
course.
brother.
You want to follow me?
Yes, of course.
Hey.
all of we are Islami. We are Islam.
We're Muslim.
Now, and before, after we Islam, we were Muslim.
Oh my God, I
Uh,
thought you were not a Muslim.
What do you think,
We
me?
are all Muslim.
Oh my God, it shocked me.
Agnostic?
Not that agnostic, bro. Yeah, kinda, cause you sholat is bolong-bolong.
So that is
Yeah, you
That is bolong-bolong.
hello the audience. This is the very rare video meeting because we talk about religion and dalil and all of this.
Oh.
You can just found in here in SMK Negeri 2 Tarakan OMB. You can found in other place. You cannot
You
found
can,
in.
you can, you can.
Even in the group, the second group. Even you cannot found this in the
Oh.
second group, man. You cannot found this.
Bro,
This is very rare.
oh my God, why you don't speak evil of other people? I have
No,
told you, my friend.
I don't speak. I don't speak
It's
bad
not
about other
evil.
people.
It's
I
a
just-
fact. You can
I
find it
just-
in group 2. In group 2, you can only find chicken.
In here, you can found Islamic content of the life. You cannot body swimming to other person, and that is
Okay,
in the
I
Quran.
think that's
have the
enough. I think that's
dalil.
enough. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's continue our.
So the
Okay.
lesson is, do not speak evil of other people.
Body.
Of
Yes.
course,
According-
my brother.
Yes.
To the Quran, page Hujurat,
Yes.
number 11. Yeah. Do not speak
Yeah.
evil of other people.
Yeah.
So if you speak evil of other people, you are not following the Quran. Okay, my brother.
Yeah.
Yes, my brother.
Let
Okay.
let I guess. Let I guess. If I think your idol is Dr. Zakir Naik, Rinaldi.
Oh my God.
Am
my
I
brother.
sure? Am I right?
Oh my God. You are
It
so.
is me, Michael.
You are a truly Muslim, my brother. You follow
Ah.
me.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's back to the topic. Rizky Amanullah.
Yes.
That's all
I have
I
a
want to
question.
share.
Follow me,
Oh,
my brother.
Yeah.
Follow me, my brother. I'm sorry.
Hey.
Back to the topic. Okay, let's continue your story. Continue.
That's all I want to tell.
Okay.
Because in my senior high school, there's nothing. I'm not founding any memories.
Because you
Because of
already
Corona.
stay at home after joining in your senior high school, my brother.
Yeah, you are not have experience. You don't have
Oh my
your
God.
friends.
I'm just sleep.
Not just
I'm sleeping
experience.
very well.
You don't
Yeah.
have any friends too. Because you are no life. man.
Sleep
Hey,
sleep for 1
I
year.
have.
Okay.
Do you have any question for me?
No.
For my stories.
I wanted
Okay.
to ask.
Well then, let's continue in apa Kak Dimas
No,
stories.
there is a question.
Wah,
Why your friend fell from his bike and then the teeth was the broken things, not the other, like his hand or maybe his
Teeth.
because when he apa is going faster with his bike, it's what is it? He slipped in the front wheel, and then he fell off like this, right on the face.
I
Can
know
imagine.
the title of that accident.
Can you imagine it?
Yeah,
Oh my
like
God.
it's him with his bike.
Yes, and then you
He terjelungkup
Yeah.
in the front.
Yes.
terjelungkup.
That's right.
Yes,
Yes, that's right. The jelengkup. Yes. That's
yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Gerepuk.